So here's the table saw all set up. And has the fence. It locks down tight. You have the guard with the laser light. Or I'm sorry, not a laser light, but a little light. And here's the blade. Trying to get a better light. So it's in good shape. Little thing you pull out here. You have your adjustment wheel, and then I'll turn it on. And the side comes out. Let's see. Close that up. This gives you extra support for the wood that comes out. So I'll turn it on again real quick for you. Well, and you can pull that key out so that it doesn't actually turn on anymore. And then you put that back in. It has that safety feature as well. Alrighty. Thank you.